here we are, Punaloo. A little bit bumpier than last time, but you know what? It's not terrible. Just gotta stay away from that bit. Hug the left side here. Stay away from that brake, because it doesn't look good out there. All right. Wow. Okay. Gonna get through this bit here. All right. And I know there's a little bit of reef poking up there somewhere. Gotta watch out and stay off that. I know the swells really peak. They'll really peak off of that little piece of reef. Gotta watch. Ooh. Ooh, it's that thing coming out here. Dealing with something like 3 to 5 foot swell today. It was completely flat last time, so that just got us spoiled. We're almost out of here. Looking for some live bait. Hopefully, the time I came out and got the sailfish last week, hopefully that wasn't a fluke, because there was a ton of bait that day. And I'm really hoping that marked the beginning of the kind of opelu season here, because if that's the case, we should be set to go today, as long as we can find some. All right, let's get looking. This may or may not be bait. It got pretty heavy suddenly. Come on, be bait, please. Oh yeah, that's bait. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm on bait over here. Alright, nice. Always nice to pick them up early. Oh shit, that's that guy. Always feels like you got the monkey off your back once you land a few. Very little, but that's a good sign. That means the spawn are showing up. Okay, the bait have not been easy to find, so I'm gonna start fishing kind of on a good spot here. Just, oh no, did one die already? Oh shit, that one already died in the tube. That's not good. That's really not good. Okay. Alright, unfortunately, something happened to this guy on the way up. He must have got injured somehow. So that means I just got 2 baits. One of them's on the line right now. Definitely gotta try to find more now. Bait's really freaking out. Oh, there we go. I don't know, man, maybe. All right, we're on. All right, all right, hooked up in 180. Not entirely sure what this is. Might be a barracuda. Yeah, I don't know. Pull this up so I don't get tangled. fighting like an Ono. More like a, maybe a Kohala or something. That bait was running a little deep. Wow. Wow. I hope this isn't a shark. I better chase this fish. It might get me on the reef. Better stay above him. Uh oh. Did he come off? Oh, he swam up. Weird. He's had a pretty good digging run there and then just swam up again. What are we dealing with here?
I'm seeing a big school over here in 270.
Coming up to the top, hope it's not a shark. I've had sharks behave like this before. A lot of ups and downs in the fight. Come up to the surface, dive again. Right back up. Ooh. It's up near the top now. Please don't be a shark. Even though you're acting like one. Right on the surface over there. Weird. Really weird. Please put that line back. Whatever this is, it's got some fight to it. That's for sure. About 100 feet down, 150 feet. Oh man, he's still going too. Digging. Game of inches now. You know, I don't think it's even that giant. It's just really hard fighting. It's a very hard fighter. Yeah. Or maybe I have him hooked on the side or something. Because he's strong. Pretty big. Oh, wow, what a battle this guy. Holy crap.
Dude, look how long his sight fins are.
Right?
It looks like longer than normal.
Yeah, is this a big eye? No, right? Wow.
Either way, bro, that's nice.
Ew.
Look at that guy. Dude, he actually, you think high 30s, 40s?
Oh, it's low 40s probably, yeah. All right. Right on, bro. Yes, sir. That's the Shibi right there. That's the one right there. Yeah, it's heavy. All right. There we go. Okay, last bait, or last live bait, I should say. At least it's in the tube. Okay. Now we're gonna let you out deep. My line just went really slack. Oh. Shucks. Well, I was on. Bummer. Shucks. That was a miss. Well, just found a nice pile right there. Pretty sure that's Opelu. So we're gonna drop into that. If we can get another live bait, that would be sick. Oh, there we go. Yep. Yep, this one. Ooh. Yes. It's a big one. It's a jumbo-sized Opelu right there. It's a bait. Okay. Big baits. Definitely going out on wire. Oh man, that's a huge Opelu. He's longer than my circle hatch. So he's probably around 12 inches long. Oh. Wow. That's a big Opelu. Oh. Yeah, they just bit me on the drop too. There we go. There we go. Wow, damn dude. Okay, got a ton of bait all of a sudden. This hasn't happened in a long time. Actually having a bait tube full of Opelu. What a convenience. I'll be running this one on fluoro since I've got the baits to spare. Oh wow, I just let this bait out. He's not even 120 feet out yet and started going nuts. Well, I just okay. All right, second hookup of the day. I had a double strike there, I think it stole my bait on the fluoro. And it came and tagged my wire rig bait. That was so cool. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I might be tangled in my line too, from what I can see. Yep. Shucks. That is a bad tangle. Shucks. Don't usually coggy them on this side, but the line's all tangled up. Go. Shibi number 2 on the yak. Right. Alright, how are we gonna deal with this? Epic tangle I've got here. Hook out. Perfect. There we go. There it is. Shibi number 2.
Yeah, I got you. Well, I'm just out a little deeper.
Oh, bro, he ate both of my rigs, dude. He ate my fluoro rig and my wire rig. Bruh, this fluoro rig right here, that line going into his mouth, that's the opelu I put out on my fluoro rig. That's crazy. This fish ate both of my baits. What a...
Guess you were good either way.
Okay, they're not biting the wire, so I'm changing it up. We're going circle hook fluoro, or I should say 40-pound mono. See if that gets the bite. Ooh, this bait's jittery. Yep. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's something on. Shucks. Yeah, there we go. There we go. All right, we're on. Oh, I'm on. As soon as I switch to mono. Oh, see, some people say the wire doesn't matter. To them, I say this is pretty good proof that it does matter. You definitely get more bites on mono or fluoro. Yeah, it's probably a rainbow. Underwater cam's out of commish. That's all right. Looks like ah, shucks. Dang it. Ah, but it's like a holla. Oh, bummer. Well, hey, at least it was a fight. I'm definitely gonna let you go home free. Yeah. Let's get the hook out and get him on his way as quick as I can here. Little Almaco jack. Let him go. Bye-bye. Okay, this is the last lap. It's gonna go out to the drop-off, turn around, troll home. 2 fish in the bag already. That's pretty good. A lot better than I've been doing lately. Happy with that. And if I get another strike, bonus. Yeah.